Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about symmetry. So now, first of all, we have to know what is symmetry. Symmetry means copy of any other image or any other 2D shapes or 3D shapes. So basically, we will discuss about first of all, to symmetry of the 2D figure means two-dimensional figure like square, rectangle, and some letters also, in which we will discuss what is the symmetry of that figure. So now you have seen a lot of figures around us. So they have a different number of symmetries. Okay. So now symmetry means when you see your image in mirror, then you will get a same image in the mirror. Okay. And let us see, suppose that here, if we say that this is the symmetry line of this figure, means, or you can say if this is a mirror, okay, and this is the object, then the same image will be found on that side in the mirror. What is the same of this? Both are the same figure. So that is the known as the line of symmetry. Like this, if here is the image and we say what is the line of symmetry of this figure, then you can draw a line from which when we fold it, then it covers their second part. Means if we draw a line like this, okay, then these are the same as this one. Or when we fold it like this, then again this will superpose the second figure. So these are known as the lines of symmetry. See, I think in your book also there are some figures. First of all, see, given that what is the reflection symmetry? Okay. First of all, see the definition. Now, reflection symmetry. That is given that it is a type of symmetry in which one half of the figure is the mirror image of the other. Means it is a type of symmetry in which one image is the type of the mirror image. Means both are the same. Like this, as you see, you have to write down this one. It is a type. It is a type of symmetry. It is a type of symmetry in which one half of the figure is the mirror image of the other. Means see, if we take a letter A, okay, is it clear? Draw letter A. Then if we draw a line like this, then this is the symmetry about this line. Okay, so this is the symmetry about this line because here same figure is the second one. Or write A. This is also same figure. So if you want to find out the symmetry, then you can also draw the like this. Or it has one line of symmetry. It has 1 and 2 lines of symmetry. If you have a square, then square has 2 lines of symmetry. See this figure. This is known as a rectangle shape. Okay. So when you fold like this, then we see that one part is second cover the angle. See, all parts is covered now. So that's why this line is known as the line of symmetry. Again, when you fold, we fold it with their breadth. Now fold according to their length. Again, this whole portion is cover the second one. So this is also known as the line of symmetry. So rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. But if we fold from its diagonal, okay, take like this, then it is not cover the completely fully, not completely enough. Okay, so only rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, and if we make a square, then square have 4 lines of symmetry. How much? There, square has 4 lines. First like this, and second one, and third one like this, and this fourth one is a like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. And so you have to write and also draw this figure also. Is it clear? So next one is the axis of symmetry and line of symmetry. So you have to write down, and that is known as the axis of, this is known as the, here one line or axis is given now. Here 2 lines to 2 lines of symmetry. It has also 2 lines of symmetry. It has 4 lines of symmetry. You have to write also this one. Line of symmetry. So the imaginary line that divides a figure in 2 identical halves is called the lines of symmetry or axis of symmetry. First, what is reflexive symmetry? It is a type of symmetry in which one half of the figure is the mirror image of the other. Means, in reflexive symmetry, one part is the same of the other. So this portion is the same as this one. So this is known as the mirror image. And same line of symmetry, the imaginary line means this is known as the imaginary line. This is also imaginary. That is known as a line of symmetry. Imaginary line that divides a figure into two identical halves. If a line divide a figure into two same portion, same half, then it is called the line of symmetry, or you can say as a axis of symmetry. Okay, so write down. Next, now we will see some examples like first equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now if you have an equilateral triangle, then how many lines of symmetry of the equilateral triangle? ABC, the triangle which all sides are equal. So now it has a 3 line of symmetry. Also from that place. So equilateral triangle have 3 lines of symmetry. Okay. Second one is as a square. How many lines of symmetry is square? That is 4 lines of symmetry a square has. Okay. Same as a polygon. Means polygon means closed figure. If we say hexagon, regular polygon. Regular polygon means their all sides and angle will be equal. Is it clear? So if we draw a polygon, that should be hexagon or pentagon. So hexagon, if there is a hexagon, then it is a 6 line of symmetry. Okay. If there is a pentagon, then how many lines of symmetry has pentagon? 5 sides. Hexagon is 6 sides, pentagon is 5 sides. So it has a 5 lines of draw and write this one also. Next, next one more thing. See, vertical and horizontal. Okay. One more question we will find out. Vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry. Vertical symmetry, and second one is the horizontal symmetry. See, if we draw letter A, okay, then A has vertical symmetry, okay, and if we draw letter E like this, this is letter E now. So E has a horizontal symmetry. So when we draw a line like this, then this is known as a horizontal symmetry, and perpendicular it should be a vertical symmetry. So we will find out a lot of, suppose that if a square or rectangle is given, so it has both vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry. So this is known as the vertical symmetry, and that is horizontal symmetry. Okay? And what about the circle? Circle has infinite line of symmetry. Okay? So be remember what is the vertical symmetry? When we draw a line perpendicular, okay, then that is vertical symmetry, and parallel to that surface, that is known as a horizontal symmetry. So you will get also some questions. I think understand the horizontal symmetry and vertical symmetry. Means in any figure, if you draw a line like this in any figure, and then the figure divides into two, but then that is known as the vertical symmetry. And like this, when we draw like this, and the figure divides into two or more, two halves, then it is known as the horizontal symmetry. Okay? Next one is a, see, if this is a book, okay, we have opened it. See, that is any chapter, I don't know, okay, and this is the rectangle shape now. When we fold it like this shape from this center, then it covers both parts fully. Is it clear? So rectangle has one line of symmetry, that is vertical. Okay? See this page. Take this page. Okay? If we fold like this, then it is known as the horizontal symmetry. Okay? But if we fold like this is known as the vertical symmetry. Is it clear? Once again, see, a rectangle is given. When we fold like this is also known as a symmetry, line of symmetry. But which type of? That is known as a horizontal line of symmetry. And when we fold like this, then it is known as a vertical line of symmetry. Okay? Next topic in symmetry, that is rotational symmetry. Okay? Rotational symmetry. Now, see, rotational symmetry. First of all, write the definition. Any object or say that looks exactly the same at least once during one complete rotation. if we take a marker from a pen. Now see, we take a mark on this page. Okay. See, one rotation means if we turn this book, if I have a book, okay, turn one round means total 360 degree, one complete angle. Okay. Now see this one. This point is here. Okay. We will turn like this. When how many times we will find same shape like this rectangle. Okay. Not rectangle, same shape like this. So one time rotation we will not see. Now again we say find one time now. Same point is on the same location. So after rotation, one complete rotation, we will get two times. They have get the same figure. Is it clear? So now see here also. This book is here. So after see shape is like this. This one again, same. So after one rotation, maximum times if they get a same figure, that is known as the rotational symmetry. Is it clear? Order of, take anchor point. Okay. If a equilateral triangle, then when we rotate a equilateral triangle, then you will get a 3 rotational symmetry 3 times. Okay. So see, order of rotational symmetry. Now you can find out if the angle of rotation is x, then rotational symmetry will be. There is a formula ORDE, order of rotational symmetry, and x is the angle, and which all angles should be equal. Then we will use this formula, like square, all sides are equal and all angle will be 90 degree. Now divide 90, then you will get a 4 order of symmetry. But it is not possible in rectangle because in which all sides are not equal. In regular polygon it should be happening. In equilateral triangle all angle are equal now, and our sides are also equal. So and all angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay. So with the help of this, the order of rotational symmetry, you can find out if the number of times the figure looks exactly the same while it is rotated by 360 degree. See, and all shapes have an order of rotational symmetry at least one. You have a different types of figure. Some figure have a no line of symmetry. Okay, line of symmetry may be 0, but order of symmetry never be 0. Order of symmetry never be 0, because in one rotation at this one time it gets their original shape. Okay, so order of symmetry never be 0, but line of symmetry may be 0. How? See some question, some problems. Okay, so and after this we will solve some problems of this exercise. Same, if anyone asks you H, if you have a H, a word, then how many lines of symmetry? H. So first time this one, again when it rotates like this, B like this, then their figure should be like this now. Can we get same figure? No. Once again it should be rotated. Then this portion like this, again this will be, again we will get same figure. Again after rotation you will get 80, 180, then again same figure. Is it clear? So like this in one rotation. So first of all, this is a 90-degree turn, no, same. Again this one 180 rotation, again this one, then again we will find out this. So when the 1, 2, 3, 4 first rotate this, we have to get same figure like this. First rotation, second, third, fourth. So we will get 2 times their same thing. So it is a order of 2. Their order of symmetry will be 2. Okay? So solve some problem. When we solve that, I think you can understand more easily. Okay? But first you have to write down this one. Right?